If Steam is showing error 101, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Steam connecting again without wasting time. This error is often caused by a network issue, corrupted browser data inside Steam, a blocked connection from antivirus or firewall settings, or even problems coming from your ISP or local network. The good news is, most of the time, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Now let's get started. The first thing to do is restart everything. Close Steam completely first, not just the window. Right-click the Steam icon in your taskbar or system tray and choose Exit. Once Steam is fully closed, restart your computer. After that, power cycle your modem and router by turning them off, waiting about 30 seconds and turning them back on. This clears temporary connection problems and gives your network a fresh start. After everything comes back online, open Steam again and check whether the error is gone. If Steam error 101 is still showing, the next step is to clear Steam's browser data. Steam uses an internal web browser for parts of its interface, and cached files can sometimes get corrupted. Open Steam, go to Settings, then select Web Browser. From there, click Delete Web Browser Data. If you see an option to clear cache or cookies, remove those as well. After clearing the data, fully close Steam again and reopen it. This simple step can often fix login and connection problems right away. Now let's move on to your DNS settings. Sometimes Steam error 101 happens because your current DNS or ISP routing is causing connection issues. A good fix is switching to public DNS servers like Google DNS. On Windows, open your network settings and change the DNS manually to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. This can help bypass local DNS problems and improve how your PC reaches Steam servers. Once that is done, save the changes and test Steam again. If you want to go a step further, you can also reset your network using command prompt. This is one of the most useful fixes when network settings get stuck. In the Windows search bar, type command prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. Then run the following commands one at a time: ipconfig/flush DNS, and then netwinsock reset. The first command clears your DNS cache, and the second resets your network socket configuration. After running both commands, restart your PC so the changes take effect. Once your computer is back on, open Steam and see if the error is resolved. Next, check your antivirus and firewall. Sometimes security software can block Steam from connecting properly, especially if it has recently updated or changed its rules. Temporarily disable any third-party antivirus software and test Steam again. If Steam works after disabling it, then you know the antivirus is the problem. In that case, go into the antivirus settings and allow Steam through instead of leaving your system unprotected. If you are using Windows Firewall, make sure Steam is allowed there too. You should also check whether your network is blocking Steam. This is especially important if you're on a school, office, or public Wi-Fi network, because those networks often restrict gaming services. Try Steam on a different internet connection, like a mobile hotspot, to compare results. If Steam works on another network, then the issue is likely coming from your ISP, router, or network administrator rather than Steam itself. If none of those fixes work, the final option is to reinstall Steam. Before you uninstall it, make sure you keep your Steam apps folder so you don't have to re-download all of your games. That folder contains your installed game files. After reinstalling Steam, sign back in and check whether error 101 is gone. A clean reinstall can fix damaged files or broken client data that other steps could not repair. So to quickly recap, the best fixes for Steam error 101 are restarting Steam and your router, clearing Steam browser data, switching to public DNS, resetting your network with command prompt, checking antivirus and firewall settings, testing for ISP or network blocking, and reinstalling Steam if necessary. Most users will find the problem is fixed long before the last step. If this video helped you fix Steam error 101, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Steam errors and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.